Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by locking down essentials so you can publish fast. Choose WordPress. Org with affordable hosting and SSL, then register a domain that matches your niche. Once done, install a lightweight theme and 3 core plugins: SEO, caching, and analytics. Make sure to create 5 seed posts, short, focused, and optimized for 1 keyword each, so Google has pages to index. Finally, set permalinks and submit your sitemap to Search Consoles to start getting tracked. Now you construct the engine that earns. Focus on 1 cornerstone article each week, long-form, research-backed, and solving a specific problem, because depth wins in search. Once you publish, drive traffic via organic SEO, consistent social posts, and a small paid campaign to validate topics. Make sure to capture emails with a lead magnet and an automated welcome sequence tied to your offers. Then measure traffic sources, conversion rates, and top pages so you can double down on what works. To finish, convert attention into revenue. Add at least 2 monetization streams, affiliate offers integrated into helpful reviews and a display or sponsored option, and place clear CTAs. Once revenue appears, optimize your top-performing pages for conversion. Tighten copy, add comparison tables, and run small pricing tests. If growth halts, troubleshoot methodically. Audit keyword targeting, page speed, mobile UX, and backlink profile. Fix the highest impact issues first, then relaunch campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.